Hello everyone, this is Eric at RC Monster Garage MotoStyles Hobby Shop. What I'm doing right now is showing you last minute shopper. Today is Friday. This is the last Friday before Christmas, so you have like 4 more days to buy stuff. And I want to show you what we have available. Whatever we have is we have kind of 1 or 2 of each. So if you're local, come to the shop before they're all gone. Okay, so let's start with this. This is the Horizon Hobby, the Exile 6x6. We have 2 of those left. This guy, it's a rock roller by the way. This one is the ECX Temper Gen 2 amazing rock roller. We have a couple of those left. This is the Red Cat Racing Everest Gen 7 Sport. We have 1 left. Then Arma Creighton. We have a couple of those left in the warehouse. Nobody have them. I have them in stock, so contact me. And then we have Arma Typhoon. This is all, those are the new version, this and that. Those are the new version 5 with a Spectrum system. Then we have those ECX monster truck and short course truck. Then if you go smaller, we have the new Red Cat Racing Volcano 16. And those come with 2 lithium batteries. And those are about $110 or so. We have those in stock, red and blue. Then I have Super, it's not a Super, this is just the Rock Ray. I have 1 of those. Then I have this, the Rock Buggy. This is R1 from G-Made. I have 1 of those. Then I have 1 of those guys. The Arma Mojave. This is the Extreme Bash Roller. And I have an Arma Granite. And an Arma Santen BLX 6S. And no, this is actually 3S. The 6S sold out today. Then some other stuff that we have cool. This is a 1/24 scale Coyote electric rock crawler, 4-wheel drive, ready to run with everything. This is a tiny rock roller, 1/21 scale mini, very cool. Then entry level, you will have this thing, the ECX, the Kicker. It's really cool, it's not so expensive. And you're gonna get this guy, the Amp Crash. This one comes with a battery charger and everything. Then we got here this one. This is the Denchi, the Ridge Rock, and this is front and rear steering. And we have 2 of those left. And then something new, those new those Caterpillar, those are construction vehicle. I just got them in today. They're going for $140 each. They come with everything and they're pretty big. They say 1/24 scale, but look, it's bigger than the 110 scale rock roller, because the real vehicle is huge. Then you have the Amp MT. This is a vehicle that you have to put together, but it's come with everything you need in the box. I have 1 of those big guys, 1/5 scale Arma Outcast. And those are going for like $8.99 plus tax. Contact me before, even if you want to come and get 1 of those. And then I have an Arma Mojave. And this one again, the 6S. And again, contact me if you want to get 1 of those. I have an Arma Limitless hidden over there. And couple other things. Now, all of you people that think that you can wait for the last minute, everything is running out real quick. And none of the warehouse have anything to replace it. I also got a couple of those boats from Horizon. I have actually 2 left. They arrived with everything. They're about like $80 or so. They're pretty cool. I have tons of other batteries. I have this beginner aircraft over there, and this one is $99. And we have some wheels, bodies, and couple other items. So contact me if you need anything. We are located 17540 Chatsworth Street in Granada Hills, California, zip code 91344. You have to set up appointment and come and pick up whatever you want to get. We also have this Mini T 2.0. This is brushless electric, arrived with everything you need. And of course we have those amp ready to run from ECX. This is what the best value for your money. And I have a couple nitro vehicle over here, the Red Cat Racing Airscrick 3.5 hiding over there, and some of those small mini short course, the Torment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. This is a real quick showing everything that we have right now waiting for you guys for this weekend. We're gonna be open tomorrow, Saturday, from 11 to 4. Usually we open at 1:30 to 4, short day. We're gonna get here earlier so people can come and get whatever they need. We also have one of the coolest truck you can get. This is a kit. It's a racing truck. It's a 110 scale, and it's have like a kind of a big rig body on it. You have to assemble this. We have a couple of those, and it's all waiting for you. Bye. Enjoy your Christmas, people.